Hey there, tech-savvy friends. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everyday tech tasks to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into how to schedule Apple Card payments. If you're an Apple Card user, you know how important it is to manage your payments on time to avoid any fees or stress. This quick guide will walk you through the steps right from your iPhone, so let's get started. First things first, make sure you have the Wallet app open on your iPhone. It's the one with the wallet icon, and it's usually pre-installed. Once you're in, tap on your Apple Card. If you have multiple cards, just select the Apple Card from your list. This will take you to the main dashboard for your card. Next, scroll down or look for the Payments section. It's usually prominent on the screen. Here, you'll see your current balance, due dates, and options for making payments. Now, tap on Pay or Make a Payment to proceed. This is where the magic happens for scheduling. You'll be prompted to enter the amount you want to pay. You can choose to pay the full amount, the minimum, or a custom amount, whatever fits your budget. After that, look for the scheduling option. Tap on it, and you'll see a calendar where you can select the date for your payment. Apple makes this super straightforward, so pick a date in the future when you want the payment to go through. Double-check everything: the amount, the date, and any other details like your payment method if you have it set up. Once you're happy, hit Confirm or Schedule Payment. That's it. You've just set up your payment to process automatically. One quick tip: always keep an eye on your account for any changes, like if funds are available. Scheduling payments helps you stay organized and avoid late fees, which is a win for your wallet. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more Apple tips and tricks. See you next time.